In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use deadline mode in Monday.com. Let's dive right in and take a few steps through the process. By the end of this video, you'll be equipped with the know-how to set and manage deadlines effectively within Monday.com, making your task management more efficient than ever. First things first, open up your web browser and head over to Monday.com. If you haven't got Monday.com bookmarked yet, you might want to consider doing that because it's such a handy tool. Once the page loads, you'll notice the login button right there at the top. Go ahead and click it. If you haven't logged in already, you'll be prompted to do so. For those using Google to manage accounts, you can click on the Google option. Select the Google account you want to use from the list, and you'll be logged in just like that. This makes accessing Monday.com a breeze and saves you from having to remember yet another password. Once you're inside, go to your board. This is where all the magic happens. If navigating to your board seems tricky, just look for the section where your projects and tasks are listed. That's your board. All right, now that you've found it, you need to locate your date column within the table. This column is crucial because it helps you organize tasks based on deadlines. Now, look for three little dots that usually signify more options. Click on them and proceed to select the Settings option from the drop-down menu that appears. This is the area where you can customize how your columns behave. When you click on Settings, you'll notice an option labeled Set as a Deadline. Give that a click. This action is what transforms your ordinary date column into a deadline column, providing clarity on what needs to be completed by when. Now that your date column is set as a deadline, you'll want to give it context by associating it with a status column. Choosing a status column allows you to track the progress of tasks concerning those deadlines. Following this, choose a person column. Associating a person with specific tasks ensures accountability and makes it clear who is responsible for what. Finally, click on Connect Columns. This action links these elements together. Once connected, your board will effectively synchronize deadlines with statuses and personnel, giving you a comprehensive overview and enhanced control over your project's timelines. And there you have it. You've successfully set up deadline mode in Monday.com. This setup will not only help you keep track of when tasks are due, but also ensure everyone on your team is on the same page. Thanks for tuning in today, and see you in the next video, where we'll continue to unravel the endless possibilities you can achieve with Monday.com.